This week in the galley, we're in Seal Beach, California at Walsh Wharf. It's a restaurant I came to about 15 years ago. I'm sure Chef Christian here was still in school back then.
Yeah.
But thanks for inviting us out today, Chef.
Thank you for having us.
And what is it you have in store for us?
So today we're doing a local halibut right on our oak grill. What we have here is the garlic butter. Lather it. You want to season heavily because with the grill, I mean, most of the salt or seasoning is going to fall through anyway, so you want to season heavily. And once that's on the grill, lather the top part. And once again, season heavily. So when you're grilling fish, you can see the difference right here is a little pink raw, and on the bottom there's a little white coloration. You want at least like 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch, and it's ready to flip because you don't want to overcook your fish. You want it nice, medium rare in the middle. Now I'm getting ready to flip it. The garlic butter. I got the cauliflower stems, and we're just gonna throw it up on the grill. All right, so our fish is ready to go. The little greens are ready. So I'm gonna place the cauliflower puree on the bottom. Halibut goes next. So what we have right here is some Romanesco, white cauliflower, and delicata squash, sauteed together with some shallots, olive oil, and salt. Our greens, and our cauliflower couscous. And that's it for our halibut.
Looks really good.
Go for a bite.
And it falls apart really nice too. Mmm, that's good. Let me try the sauce. That is really, really good.
Compliments the fish really good, right?
Yeah, this is good. And nice local halibut. Nothing like local fish, fresh fish. And this restaurant's been here for many, many years.
Yes.
What was it, 30 years?
Yeah, 30 years. More than 30 years.
Over 30 years?
Over 30 years.
Yeah, it's great. It's a great dish. Like I said, I haven't been here for 15,
Okay.
but I might take this to the table and go enjoy this.
Go ahead.
That's pretty cool. But
Yeah.
thanks, Chef.
Thank you.
It's really fun.
Thank you for
Remember,
having
we're
us.
at Walsh Wharf in Seal Beach, California. Come on down here, try a fish dish like this. It's really good. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Well, let's get back on the water and show you more exciting action right here on Sport Fishing.